Oh hey, what's going on guys? Today we're doing an unboxing video of the Predator 212cc engine for the minibike. So today when we were out in Weatherford shooting the footage for the video I just posted, we bought this Predator 212 overhead valve horizontal shaft gas engine. Right here, Predator engines with a coupon. This was like 108 after tax. Not bad at all. Boom. It's kind of hard to do with a camera in your hand. Yeah. Okay. Set that down. Switch hands. All right. Yep. Ain't give me any of those. All right. Ooh, what is this? Some kind of tool. It's right here. Ooh, fun. Fill gas, add fuel stabilizer. We're not going to need that because we're going to be using the crap out of this thing. Add engine oil below. Doesn't tell you what kind. I probably got some somewhere over here. Alright. Let me see if I can prop this camera up and get this engine out of this box. Okay, lighting's alright. Work with that. No, I want to do this clean. This is like one of those mail-in rebate knives that just isn't really sharp and it just kind of subparly does its job. It's like a ripping motion. There it is. Okay. There we go. This lighting is killing me. Hold on. Dun, 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 dun. Wow, guys, look at this shit. Is that backwards in the camera? Yeah, it is. Fuel cap, muffler, air filter, oil fill cap, oil drain, plug, throttle, engine switch, starter handle, choke, fuel valve. If you don't understand what these things are without someone to tell you what they are, you don't need to buy the motor. Or you can just watch my videos and I'll teach you. This is extremely light. Silica back. Okay. Let's get the camera down. Let's keep it do it. Actually, put it up here. I don't have a workbench per se, so we're gonna use 3 empty totes. All the way out. Ooh. That's pretty radical, guys. Turn that around. Okay. Protect your shaft. Okay. Nice and lubricated. Looks like I had to put fuel stabilizer in. There's a warranty on it. That's cool. But I'm gonna beat the shit out of it. So here is the exact same engine, just an older one. This is why we're replacing it. And no carburetor. Yeah, so this thing we can need the engine. That's the biggest thing. We need the engine. That's the most expensive thing. And then, I don't know, maybe weld that up. It's not going to hurt anything. Just maybe, I don't know, I'll figure something out. Headlights, that tire holds air, that's good. I want to get rid of the square lawn tractor tire and put another, like, rounded one back there. And then a seat. I have the imitation fuel tank up there. Yeah, the imitation gas tank is up here. Baja heat. I don't know if I'm gonna run that though, because I don't like the idea of a imitation gas tank. I think it looks pretty rad without it. It gives it like that bicycle-esque appearance. I'll just throw a seat on it. And then we're gonna need grips, throttle grip, wired switch, put a headlight on it, chain, clutch. I don't know if there's a jack shaft that's supposed to be in here or something, but I'll double check that. And that's it. So, if I had some gasoline, I'd fire this thing right now, but I don't. And there's probably no oil in it either. Well, I mean, there is no oil in it, but I want to see if there's like residue. It's a little wet. I'm sorry I'm breathing so hard. I'm just a heavy breather. Like, we'll be in the movie theaters and my wife will just start shunting me in the side with her elbow, telling me to stop breathing so heavy. Or, are you awake? Because it sounds like I'm snoring. I just breathe heavy. Sorry. This one should be the dipstick. Yeah, there it is. Focus. There's oil on that. That's rad. I mean, obviously they have to do test run procedures and such. So I'm guessing this is all, I'm figuring this all out as I go, guys. Like, I just found that junkyard, do this, but I'm guessing I just bypass that switch or run a wire from it up to the kill switch. I'll figure it out. Yeah, so that's it. That is our Predator OHV horizontal shaft gas engine. This engine makes about 6.5 horsepower. Everything else I'm going to need for this bike is going to come from Go Power Sports. They're just outside of Dallas-Fort Worth. They have great prices and they have everything I need to get this bike back going. And they have all kinds of performance parts for that too. So we'll see where she goes. We'll see what we do. And here on another day, because I don't have any tools here other than like junk. I have tons of tools at my real job, at my full time. But I can't wait to ride it. It's gonna be fun. It's gonna be real fun. I also have a go-kart at my dad's house that I've had since, if I had to guess, I was probably 11. Was I 11, Dad? I think it was 11. But it was a Dog 2-seater, front suspension. It was like a year before they came out with the rear suspension model. 6.5 horsepower Tecumseh, or 6 horse Tecumseh, whatever you want to say. And we blew that motor up. We went out mudding in it and got mud and water into the engine and locked it up, I believe, I'm pretty sure. And then my dad's an electrician, was running his own company, and scored us it was 11 horsepower Honda OHV engine with electric start. And we put that on there. And we left it governed because I had really young brothers and sisters and he didn't want them to die. So it was governed, but he's like, hey son, if you reach back there, get that little wire, pull that to you, it's gonna scream. And it screamed. But it had mechanical limitations. It would only do, I don't know, if I had to guess 40. But it wanted to get those front wheels up, had tons of torque. And then my dad decided one day to put rear suspension on it. But life happens and it didn't follow through. So it was just sitting in his garage rotting away. And when I get that mobile and working and complete that, then I'll probably bring the go-kart in here and tinker with that and get that going. Because when I have my family come over and the kids come over, it'd be really nice to just take them out and blast them around the go-kart, and they'd have a blast. That's about all I got for this video. The very next video will be me putting that engine on that bike. And until then, like, comment, subscribe, and hit the bell button. Because if you don't hit that bell button, you don't know when I got a new video out unless you check. So do not forget that bell. And YouTube, why did you do the bell? Just leave it subscribed, man.